y'all, so I wanted to reply to Shay's comment. So the name of the company is Veneers. They will do whatever you need in order for you to be perfectly happy. You can do a payment plan for them. You do not have to pay outright for them. You can do weekly payments and purchase them. They send you a mold kit. You do not have to go into an office and do anything. You do it at home. They give you instructions, and there's a QR code for a video on how to do the molds. You make 3 sets of molds, top and bottom. You put it in the box, you seal it up, and you send it back. 2-day shipping. They keep you updated on every step of the process. Then after that, it takes 2 to 4 weeks to get your veneers in. Mine took right at 3 weeks. I ordered the Hollywood white top and bottom veneers. They fit me perfect. I have 0 complaints about them. I am absolutely in love.